Oh, Southgate Park. Sorry about that. Sorry.
It's alright, no, you're right.
Good. I get blamed a lot when some people tell me off sometimes. That's why I like try to get some more footage of this. Unbelievable now, the 455 is no longer running anymore now.
I know, it's hard to believe, isn't it?
Because yesterday was the last day. I didn't know it was the last day.
Yesterday? Oh, crap, I didn't know. No, I didn't realise it came out already. So.
Yeah, no. I didn't know that was happening so soon. You know what I mean? No. I did see them yesterday. I did see them. Yesterday, but I didn't know what the. What was still running? There must be a reason for it. And it turns out today was the last day. Yesterday was the last day. There. I was lost words about that, you know. It was absolutely a lull.
Yeah.
Sorry, mate. I was just getting some shots. Well, at least today I'm only here to see this one way. At least I've got some company. Liam's here today, but I haven't only saw bits of him because he was just continuing looking around the layouts. You know what I mean? Not. Sometimes it's good filming from here because you can see the good view from here, isn't it?
Oh, that's what I was thinking about. Yeah, you see the whole thing.
Yeah. Oh, my phone has had to be set again because every time you set the face bit, it just goes jammed a bit. You know what I mean?
Ah, yeah. There you go. Thank you.
Yeah, it's nice to see the good view from here, isn't it? Yeah. So I'm saying, I'm crossing the line, but sure you can just think I can film this stuff on YouTube. You know what I mean? Now, I have seen it before. The episode of Bear Home Badly one point, and guess what? Aunt Barbara was being silly. You alright?
Yeah, mate. Yeah. Would you mind getting back behind the area, please, mate? Thank you very much.
Sorry, I just was filming the viewing point. You know what I mean? Just want to see the viewing point, you know what I mean?
Yeah, viewing points down there, really.
Yeah. Sorry about that. My bad.
No worries, mate. No problems at all.
I was just going to film that diesel bit, actually. Anyway, you'll probably know I've got this on today, actually.
Oh, I see, yeah.
So I'll let you off. I'm going to try to charge people thinking they don't understand I'm autistic.
Yeah, I understand.
You know, the charges? £1,000.
Oh, right. Wow.
In case any silly Nick Richards don't seem to get the picture, they charge them. I charge them every single month of it. Anyway, I'm going to carry on filming for YouTube. Alright, guys. Alright. Just filming stuff for YouTube. But it's nice to see the network South Eastern, isn't it? It's beautiful, isn't it? Like going to these more layouts. Like coming here, it's really good fun. As long as you don't get too bored. You alright? Did you see the video 125 though?
What?
That's what the video 125. So. It's just down there. Got a new DVD already.
Let's see. Is the train coming?
There you go. Oh,
did a side.
That was a bit of a... That's why I like coming here. It's just nice to see the Burrows, isn't it? Nice to come in here, isn't it?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Not at that one. It's not the transit.
But certainly nice sounds. Well, look at these trains. We've got a ton of them, isn't it? Those... Right guys, nice day out today, isn't it?
It is.
I'm only here just for today. I was meant to come up here tomorrow instead, but my friend was supposed to join me tomorrow. Unfortunately, she can't come now. It's letting me down. Not good, isn't it?
No.
Mothers do not understand not overprotecting people, isn't it? Oh, derailment!
Be careful of that.
So, sorry mate, got long arms. Yeah, when you've got long arms, you've got to film the stuff for YouTube and Facebook, isn't it?
But it helps to have long arms.
Yeah.
You can't do it with only... No, it's fine, I'm great.
Detail in the station and the house.
It's nice, good layout, isn't it? Oh, it's going the wrong way. There you go. Oh, missed it.
I think you've got enough time to get it.
Okay, let's give it a minute.
Go on, give it some power.
Okay, you can see here if you like. Because it'd be better for him, he can see the view of the diesel. It makes it fair for you guys. I don't want to keep playing musical seats all the time. Like the episode of Thunderbirds. Yes sir, no negative playing cat and mouse games. We used to play that with ones on my old Abbey school actually. Well, basically, you know how the cat and mouse game worked? We had a big thingamajig, a big tent or a big thingamajig, right? One would be the mouse, and one would be something going to go, and the cat has to try and chase the mouse.
You never stop.
Yeah. It's just a bit of fun. Right, I'll see you later then. You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Oh, hi Simon, how are you doing?
I'm alright.
Haven't seen you much in a long time.
No, I don't really go to the Steve Gardens much anymore.
Oh. Yeah, well, you've seen me now, haven't you?
Yeah, a few times.
Yeah. Have you been to the Glasgow mod event?
Which one?
The mod event in Glasgow?
That's next weekend.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'll be up there next weekend.
I'll be there. I'm flying there.
Right, it's cheaper, is it?
Yeah, avoiding the trains.
No, I'm actually going up to Scotland tomorrow. I'm going to have a week up there. So
Oh, okay.
do Friday, Saturday. So I'm going to Newcastle Saturday because then I'll be going to a new station opening.
We had a good time with Severn Valley Autumn Steam Guard 3 years ago, didn't we?
Yeah.
I did enjoy it because I did overnight.
I was planning to go to the Keighley-Worth this weekend, but unfortunately it fell through.
What? Oh, fair enough. Yeah, I went to the Bluebell yesterday. You probably saw that.
Yeah, what am I going back to the Blue Bell?
Well, you're up in the north, aren't you? Are you?
Midlands.
Yeah, Midlands, aren't you? Well, kind of north, isn't it?
Yeah.
But you heard about Clark Castle's tour didn't go well last year though, when he went to go to Newcastle, but it didn't go too far, didn't it?
Oh yeah, got surveyed York, did it?
Yeah, it did, yeah. Because of the signalers, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Not good, wasn't it, Simon?
Inspired by a particular area.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, well, you probably know I went on Cloud 9 last year.
Yeah, I haven't done that one yet. Plan 9.
Yeah.